Hello guys, this is Sal from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and thank you very much for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and hopefully you will like this video, and also please leave your comments below if you need any help, and make sure that you don't miss any upload that I do or any lives that I do on YouTube. Now, this is a quick video in regards to a small strategy and tactics, how to grow your blog or how to grow your Shopify shop or your Etsy shop with Tailwind apps. I will put the link of Tailwind app in regards to tribes. We're going to use Tailwind Tribes. So I will put the link of Tailwind app so you can have a look through what promotions and offers they have at the moment. Because as you know, Tailwind sometimes do make offers and promotions. And it's good to know that Tailwind Tribes, they're very, very good to grow your subscribers and to grow your blog and to grow your business in general. What I suggest is to go for unlimited tribes, and then you can take it from there. Now, first of all, if you want to join my group boards, I have 2 group boards that I'm accepting contributors at present. So if you want, you can come and on my profile, one is Pinning Beautiful Content, one of this group that I'm allowing in any type of business, like including wellness, and the other one I'm not. I have like product-based, digital, content creation, so you can have a look through and choose, follow the rules and choose if you want to join us. Because remember, when you pin on your group boards, there's people that can see your pins, and there's the other followers also, they're going to see your pin, and that will encourage people to pin your pins to different boards. So this is one thing if you want to join us. And I have another group board. Now I have 2 at present, but I'm thinking on creating another one. So stay tuned. And now let's go. Let's go here. I can show you that before. I can show you the other one is this one, share your best pins. So you can come and join this one if you want. So check it out and let me know. Now, first of all, this is the tribes inside Tailwind dashboards, and you can see all the tribes that I have joined here. We're taking here how many here on the left receipts of my own pins. Here how many pins I submit, how many pins I share, from the group to my boards. And also what I suggest is, first of all, join as many tribes as possible, but join tribes that are within your niche, and make sure that when you are sharing content from your tribes, because you need to retain the favor, make sure you actually choosing a very, very good content in order to pin to your boards. So for example, here you can go to the right hand side on the corner, like you can see the popularity of the pins. You can see, for example, how many times it has been shared on Facebook, how many times it has been shared on Pinterest. It has been shared 70 times. So you can actually choose that if you want. I put it into your boards. Usually I do that to my group boards and so on. What I suggest, if you want to choose content from the tribes to share with your audience, make sure it's obviously content that is within your niche, or make sure that your audience obviously is within your target market, your target audience. So you don't gonna have people that see the business. So hang on a second. So she's doing business. This is spinning, I don't know, something in relation to schools, or schools, or something like cooking or whatever. So you need to pin content in relation to your audiences. So this is very important for you to remember, because if you want to grow your business on Pinterest, I say that 1,000 times, you need to have a strategy and you need to think what you pin it for. Don't just share whatever you think is good, or share a pin that you like the title. So, for example, and make sure it's beautiful. This one's very beautiful. And then also share yours and share the tribes. What you can do is to have, even if you want, use some business boards, or even share your tribe's content to your group boards. That will be better, obviously. Now, I do a little bit of explanation. First of all, here we have all your tribes here. Then you have find your tribe here, and then inside better like statistics. We can have a look through. For example, this is the new. How many content has been shared, and each piece of content is here. Then yours, how many pins you add, and how many times that reshapes, but shares, or new. Then the weekly highlights here, and then you will see here statistics. It's good to know the statistics of your tribe, because if you're going to choose a tribe to join, you need to think about how many people there are, because it's better if you have like a lot of people in your tribes. Remember that group boards also very important, because it's good for also expanding your relationship and building relationship with other people, and invited to pin in other group boards. This is some of the top weekly highlights. You see how many people they submit, how many pins have been reshaped here, and then see more. It's more statistics, all of it. You need to know those things. And here you have all, again, the tribes, and you can choose here all of it, and then balance all this out. If you want to, for example, submit 8 here, and I haven't shared anything with this group, I can do that later. And then here, find a tribe. You need to know those things. There's a little mini details that people that don't pay attention. Tailwind is very, very good. Don't forget, it's an official marketing tool of Pinterest. And as you know, we need to follow the rules. And it's actually it's very, very good. It's very easy to use. And it's giving us, along with Pinterest, if you follow the strategies, you are going to grow. And I'm very happy at the moment, because I wasn't pinning a lot before, but I did get a lot of traffic because of the keywords. And also now I started creating new content. I was actually testing a couple of things, and then I am going to share it with you in a new course that I'm going to launch soon. You're going to love it. I will let you know, so you can subscribe. And if you really follow a strategy, you are going to go far, and you are going to grow your business. So here we are. So we're find a tribe. You can choose one of those tribe education, like food and drink, health and fitness, crafts, marketing, travel, and then you can choose by word and join. It's really, really very helpful. You need to know those things, because there is so many tribes that you can join, especially if you have an Etsy shop or a Shopify shop. Choose, the relevant tribes. Home decor is very, very big. Home decor is very big. The biggest, I think, category in Pinterest is home decor, in terms of, in general, in group boards and everything. And then we have a little bit more insights of the tribes. It's good to have a strategy. And even if you choose, your tribes, or you need to spend some time to do it all together. I mean, just create your pins in a couple of hours. If you don't have the time, I'll be honest with you, I have been struggling at the beginning to create and design pins. Now it's fine. I've done it. I know how to do it. And I'm just want to let you know that I am selling templates. They're affordable and they're really convert. So they're really good. You are going to see a massive difference on your reprints and impressions, because it's really image is very, very important. It does play a part of, of your success. And Pinterest, something happened here, slow, that's fine. So basically you need to be, is one image designs, all of those are small part of the keywords. And don't forget, as I say, it's vertical pins that we want. Remember that on my previous videos that I have keywords in everything, including your images, because Pinterest is picking up also the keywords on the images. So make sure you are doing those things, and be patient. Don't try to spam people. Don't do spammy things and then, have these people, they come into my group board, they ask me for help, they send me emails, and they send me, oh, my Pinterest has suspended my account. Well, you need to be patient. Don't do something that is against the rules. We cannot have 1 million followers straight away. That is impossible. You need to be patient. And you will see, when you're following a strategy, I never had any problems, even if I wasn't pinning. I didn't have all of my engagement, all my, my traffic was going up rather than down. So just follow a strategy. And if you don't have time to design, guys, just get the templates. It's affordable. I do have video pins as well. So they're really going to convert more clients. I test them. I guarantee you that. So if you don't want to struggle, you're just starting out, including if you have an Etsy shop, just take them. It's easy to change, put your products, the logos and everything. It's just customizable. You can use them again and again and again, because you really, really, really need to follow a strategy rather than, panicking and doing the wrong thing. And you think by jumping and think by rushing that you will be a millionaire. So you will be a millionaire if you have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you're not going to go far. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and let me know if you have any questions, if you need any help, or any other videos you want me to do. I know a lot of people ask me a couple of things about, what to do next. So feel free to, give me a couple of inspirations. So if you need help, let me know. Thank you very much. I wish you well.